This is the new ZEV electric police motorcycle. This is a T7100 bike by Z Electric Vehicle Corporation. The bike comes with the emergency lights front and rear, siren, high visibility LED light mounted below the dual front headlights. This is a fully electric bike, only runs on battery power. The bike can run 80 miles an hour in its most powerful form. It can run 75 to 78 miles an hour on the interstate for 50 miles, or if you slow to 50-55, it can run 100 miles. The bike comes with a large rear trunk for a policeman to put his emergency kit, or it'll hold a full helmet and then some additional gear. This bike has 4 disc brakes, or pistons. There's 2 pistons in each brake, front and rear, 220 millimeter disc brakes. This is a motor that's unique for electric bikes. It is a hub motor. The bike has 7,100 watts of continuous power under maximum load at full heat of 150 degrees C. So you can load it down. Normally it would run up to 14,000 watts. There are no chains, no belts, so the bike suffers no efficiency losses from the use of belts or chains, and it doesn't need a fan to pump air through the motor. The motor, as it turns, is its own cooling and sheds the heat with the fins on both sides of the motor. This bike uses a 96 volt peak system, 84 volt nominal, 60 amp hour battery pack. The charging port is under this door, main circuit breaker. The sirens and the lights are controlled from this panel. All ZEV use a 3-speed electronic transmission. This allows us to vary both the volts and the amps in a controller, so we can radically reduce the amount of power that it takes for the bike to run down the road. If we select second gear, the bike will run a maximum speed of 48 miles an hour in that gear. If you want to run faster, you can run in third gear. But what happens is the controller starts hunting for a way to reduce the amount of amperage and volts going to the bike, and it will start hunting around till it continually reduces the amps as much as 70% over any other bike that's on the market. This is why we consistently run 25-30% more range than anybody else with an equivalent size battery package. There's nobody out there that beats our range for that size battery. The advantage of this hub motor is all of the motor turns around the axle, so there are no moving parts inside. There's no gears, only the bearings turn. That's it, 4 bearings in the entire bike. So this is the lowest possible maintenance vehicle that you can have. For more information on this bike or its civilian counterpart, go to www.zelectricvehicle.com. This is listed as a T-Series bike.